Okay, so here's a walkthrough of this heartbeat app for sleep. Um, so this app is designed to help you control your heartbeat and to lower your heart rate, so you can relax. The opening screen has like the settings open. You can press this moon button to close them. Right here, it's going to show like all your available Bluetooth devices. The ones with a heart next to them are the ones that it'll work with. So I'm wearing this Garmin HRM Pro Plus right now. It's got a heart next to it because this device broadcasts using like a standard um, like protocol that like devices use to share their heart rate. So here's my, some other apps you can see. Like here's my smart lock. Here's my MacBook Pro. This is interesting. My Aura Ring, which I'm wearing right now, doesn't have this. So they use some kind of proprietary way. And I think also the Aura Ring, they like to save battery life, so they're not going to broadcast the heart rate nearly as often. Um, so it works a little differently. So the reason why I have all these devices shown here is because I want like the user to see, like I don't want them to think that if nothing shows up here that it's not working. So I'm saying like here's all the devices you have, and if you have one that will work with this, it's going to have a heart next to it. And then if you only have one, or I think it automatically actually connects to the first one that it finds, but you could like switch to like another one if you have a different device. If like more than one device has a heart, you can like just connect to the other one. So. Um, there's another thing is when I was using like other apps, sometimes my heart rate would stay constant at a certain rate. So I didn't really know if it was like this app was still in sync, or if my heart rate was just staying constant. So if you look at the top of the screen, it says last update. You can see that it updates every tenth of a second, and it shows you like how often it's been since the last update. So this Garmin HRM Pro Plus, it like is sending updates to the phone like I think more than once a second, as you can see. Um, and then the other thing is like you press this moon icon and it gets rid of all that shit, so you can just see the heart rate. Um, but something that I really needed was like even when you collapse this screen is still too bright. Like just the white text from the 60 from the number is too bright. So when you close your eyes, you're still kind of getting like this bright light just from the screen output on your face. So there's a button here that allows you to go darker, and it also goes red too. Um, and so then when you collapse it, and then this white line will disappear after a second, and then you can turn it on its side, and all that stuff at the top will disappear. And now, like you can hold this phone kind of in front of you, or just set it on your belly, and then as you're falling asleep, you can close your eyes, and the light from the screen isn't going to keep you up. And then if you kind of start waking back up, or you want to see what your heart rate is, you can crack your eyes open, and you can still see the number. And that's pretty much the app. That's what it does. Um, that's what you use it for. You can, I mean, sure you could run with it if you want or on the treadmill, but it's just simply syncs with a heart device and then shows you your heart rate and lets you change the screen brightness. That's it.